you for watching this video. Today we're gonna take a look at this LED pendant. It's basically a ring. It only uses 15 watts and it's bright. Well, that's what I saw. So let's take a look inside what you get first of all. And we have here some instructions. They have different measurements, different models, but basically the installation itself, it's the same for all three. Tools necessary. The installation is pretty clear. Care and cleaning, different languages. Here's some hardware. A couple of screws. And here is the light. Alright, so let's take this out. It's a nice ring. You can't see the LEDs, but they're in here. This is what goes in your ceiling. So basically there's a couple of screws here that go to your box. This is held by your box, and then this is held to this. And the wires are actually adjustable. There are 3 screws. You don't have to take them all off. You just have to unscrew them just a bit. So there. So the 2 screws that you have here, you're gonna use them to put this up on your junction box. Then this is gonna go in here. Now these wires, if you have a tall ceiling, you can probably utilize all the wiring, but like my house, it's a little bit shorter, so all you have to do is pull these wires to the perfect length. You have your wires and your ground, so that's all you need. So this is what you get when you buy this lovely pendant